Good day, everybody. Sanbonani Ninjani. Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like, bese uchela bangani, nabo bachele bangani, bavakashele le channel kuze sikhone kugeleza sonke. So in this video, we are going to go through this question taken from a previous question paper. It's question 2. Of which we have a bank statement. But Ranshia has a savings account at ATP. Okay, let me do this first. Right. Yeah. Ranshia has a savings account at ATP Bank. Below is a bank statement that Ranshia received for the month of September 2017. Some of the amounts have been omitted. Okay. Siyayibona le bank statement whereby we have the name of the account holder la, we have this address, all of this stuff. Basanga buta ngako ma question logo. Then we have the statement period, it's September 2017, and then we have the account number. All of these things bangabuta ngako ma question mabafuna. And then naile account la, we have transaction and debt. Okay, not transaction and debt, I'm sorry, it's transaction debt. Actually ngilale batosibhalela khona i-debt yala ma transaction lekendekile. Siba ne description yala ma transaction. I-description ngilale lesibona khona ukuthi le transaction yini kahle kahle, and then ngalana sibona ukuthi le transaction yendeke ngayiphi i-date. Sela siba ne-amount yale transaction. Kulamanye ama-bank statement le amount bayi-separator, babeka i-debit ne-credit tikoma-column la separated. Khumbula ukuthi i-debit ngile mali lephumako kule account, i-credit ngile mali lengenako. Okay, and then sesiba ne-balance la, we have i-balance la. Okay, then sinema-bank charges. Obvious lama bank charges imali letophuma la kule account ibhadare li bank for lama services leliwendako. And then we have what we call an opening balance. Khumbula ukuthi opening balance akusingile mali letobhadarwa ngilomnikati we-account kuze for ukuthi uvula i-account. No, leli gama lithi opening lingakudidi. Opening balance ngile balance lesuke i-available kule account at the beginning of a period. Njengala makuqala lenyanga ya September, cause basinikete ukuthi i-period inyanga ya September. Makuqala lenyanga ya September kuna malini laphana e-bank, that is the opening balance. Then we have i-closing balance. Makuphela lenyanga ya September, at the end of the period ngibani i-balance laphana, ngimalini imali lekhona, that is the closing balance. So now siyabona la, they will require us to calculate i-value ya A. Obvious, i-value ya A njengoba ila kugcineni la, it means it is the total of the bank charges. You need to be able to calculate it. Then we have i-value ya B, i-under balance. Since i-under balance and iconzene na closing balance, kusho ukuthi this is the closing balance. This is the money that is in the account at the end of September 2017. Okay, let's go through the charges, the questions. Before we go through the questions, let's read here. Bank charges are deducted at the end of the month. Okay, we do understand that. And then it is very important to read this. Once you see babhale note ngamagama lamakhulu, please do read that statement. Okay, and then na equation yethu yekuqala la, use above bank statement to answer the questions that follow. Okay, na equation yethu yekuqala 2.1 uthi yena determine the opening balance of this account. We have seen the opening balance na yala petulo, it's 1,107 rand 61 cents. so kusho ukuthi it's gonna be 1107 rand 61 cents. Nayi la le opening balance la. We are given. I don't know ukuthi why bantu bafeyila this thing, because it's simple and nice. Everything is given to you. Then name the person who transferred the amount of money into this account. What is the transaction they are talking about? It's a transfer. Kusho ukuthi kumele siye lapha kulama description. Under description nang description la ngile column le. Under this column description, let's look for transfer. Do we have anything or any transaction that is talking about transfer? Yes, we do. Ngeti 12 September kwaba ne transfer. From who? From Mr. MJ. Is it Cry? I don't know how to pronounce that. Is it Cry? But then ngiyo answer yakhona leyo. It's sitayibhala kuphi la? Sibhalela phansi la. Or singayibhala la. It was from Mr. MJ Cry. Okay? Yonke into iphambi kwakho, ladies and gentlemen. And then bathi la calculate the missing value of A, the total amount of the bank charges. Njengoba ngishito ukuthi A is the total amount of the bank charges. Sho ukuthi la we have to add all those monies, all those mula. Singawa edda kuphi. Okay, let's just answer this question here. Siphenduleni la. It's 2.3. Okay, so at the 1.10 or 1.10 plus 5500 plus 5600. Kukuneketa one log. Let's quickly grab a calculator. We do have a calculator. Our calculator is going to give us 1.10 plus 5500 plus 5600. A calculator yetu isitshela ukuthi ngibani answer. It's 112 rand 10 cents. It's 112 rand 10 cents. It's 112 rand 10 cents. So that is the total amount of the bank charges. That is the value of A, which is 112 rand 10 cents. Okay, and then so singayibhala la, it's 11210. Okay, calculate the missing value of B, the closing balance. Okay, na equation la, lena equation qobo ke bebasolo bakudlalisa kulamanye. How can we determine the closing balance? Asisibuke la. Bathi bona khumbula ukuthi ma charges they are deducted. The charges are deducted at the end of the month. We have to keep this in mind. Okay, asibuke la. Sitotala kule transaction yekugcina lebe khona la. Siyibuke le transaction yekugcina ukuthi kwendakaleni. Bathi ATM cash deposit. Okay, it's the ATM. Ngeti 30 September kwangena imali, yangena le mali plus. Okay, ATM withdrawal layer remover. Let's look at the last balance. After bakhiphe le mali le ngeti 21 bayi minus le mali lo 3000 bam remover or bam withdraw, kusho ukuthi kwasala malini 13,840 rand 21 cents. Kwasala le mali le. And then mayisala le mali le kwabe sekungeteka le mali le, kusho ukuthi tsine la we have to say B asemphendule la. B is equals to 13,840,21. Le mali lena kwasala yona ngiyi transaction le khona kusiniketa yekugcina lesiniketa ibalance ngile transaction le yangeti 21. Ba withdraw le mali le kwasala le bahlala kwathi ngeti 30 kwaba nemali lengenako as ATM cash deposit malini 13,000. Wow, mali lengaka. Then plus 13,000. Okay, and then khumbula ukuthi lana sinala ma bank charges lebathi bawathatha at the end of the month. Kusho ukuthi after le mali lena, le mali lesitoyithola la, kwamele sikhumbule kuminus ini ma bank charges lesithole ukuthi it's 11210. Okay, now let's punch our calculator. Ngifuna ubone ukuthi ngizoyipuncha njani calculator yami, ladies and gentlemen. Be skillful with your calculator. I'm going to open my brackets. Going to open, then I write 13,840.21, then plus 13,000, then I close my brackets, then minus. Ngenda exactly lapha kule calculator ngibhala exactly lengubhale lapha phansi 112 rand 10 cents, and then I click equal. Ingitshela ukuthi my closing balance is going to be 26,000. It's 26,728. 26,700. Okay, the calculator iyanyamala lama sengibhala, so 26,728. 728 11 cents. Okay, let me quickly confirm. Yes, so i-closing balance kutoba nglo 26,728 rand 11 cents. Okay, so behamba kanjalo ke le question, ladies and gentlemen. I think okay, singachubeka la. Bengakayiboni ke le question le, but I think we can continue. Ransia invested 5,500 from her savings. She earned 6,314 rand 62 after 2 years. Calculate the amount of interest earned. Okay, asesibone la. Okay, the amount of interest. Okay, lo mundu lona u-investele mali lena. Okay, this is going to be our last question. Okay, u-investele mali lena, after 2 years wathola le mali le. She earned 6,314 rand 62 after 2 years. Calculate the amount of interest. Okay, I think we have to do this. We have to say 6,314 le mali lekayitholile at the end minus le mali lekayi-investor, which is 5,500. Kusiniketa bani loko? We are looking for the difference. Okay, it's 6,314 62, then minus 5,500, which is equal to 814. 62, it's 814 62 as interest. Okay, uthole lawa ma interest, and then I think I'm going to end the video right now. Okay, siyabona ukuthi besingayi-attack kanjani le bank statement le. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.